So this is how to install volume spacers in this is an older Fox Float Factory X2. This is, I believe it's like a 2018 model. It doesn't have the circlip in the back, so you need to take I believe it's a 1.5 Allen. So you remove that. Well, first you take all the air out of the shock, so you bleed it slowly too, and then you take out that screw, and gotta gain some clearance here. So you rotate and you pull back, and there you go. So right now I got 2 volume spacers in there, and to put back, line it up, rotate away from the reservoir, and just gotta line up the hole. So I want to make sure you don't cross thread. And make sure the wrench is all the way in. And just snug it up. And it's good to have one of these Fox digital pumps. They kind of look all the same, like the works connection and everything. I think they're all made by the same company. So we screw that on. And you just want to go slow. They say like about every, I don't know, 20 psi. You want to just transfer. You just want to push down slow and transfer into the negative chamber. So you do that every like 20 or so psi. Until you back up to your normal pressure. And that's it.